Hello friends and welcome to my channel.
Hello friends, in the last session we learned about the vertical subsetting. We did some examples of vertical subsetting as well, but we just touched upon the concept of horizontal subsetting. In this session, we will be taking a deep dive on the topic horizontal subsetting, and we will see how we can do horizontal subsetting using if and where clauses. So let's understand how we can do horizontal subsetting via the if clause. Say, for example, I want to create a new data set that is A. I am copying all the contents of learning.program into it. Now I want only such rows in data A where my age column is greater than 25. So in my new dataset, that is A, I will only have those columns for which the value of age is greater than 25. Before moving to the next topic, I would like to introduce some of the operators that we use in SAS. These are some basic operators which we almost use in all the programming languages. So just take a look. So the next topic is horizontal subsetting via where clause. So syntax is same that we used for the if clause. The difference is in place of if I am writing where. That's it. And the output will also be the same. So if I am saying where age greater than 25, set all those columns, that means I will have all the columns where age is greater than 25 is getting satisfied. Now the question is, if the output is same, if the syntax is almost same, then what is the difference? So I'll tell you difference in the next slide. So let's understand the basic difference between where and if. The first point says where is more efficient. What it means? It means where is more faster. Now why where is more faster? Where is more faster because where puts the filter on the data before letting the data go into the buffer, and if puts filter after all the processing is done, which makes where faster than if. Where is used in procedures and dataset options. This is again a programming part. I'll show you where we can use the where clause in the procedures and dataset options, and we cannot use if there. Where can be used to search similar character values. Again, this is the programming part. I will show you why we cannot use if clause there. Where cannot be used to apply filter on newly created columns. What it means? Say for example, I have created a new column age underscore month, and I want all the rows where age underscore month is greater than 250. So what happens if I put where clause there? Where will throw an error. Why? Because where they do the processing, where does the processing before letting the data go into the buffer, and I am created a new column in the processing part. So what happens when I will put where clause there? Where will throw an error saying that their data column cannot be found. But if I use if clause, how if will work here? As we discussed in the first part, if puts filter on the data after the processing of the data. So after all the processing of your programming will be done. Say for example, I'm creating a new column, I'm subtracting something, I'm calculating something, all the processing is done. Then whatever dataset is getting created, if will put filter on that dataset. So what will happen? If will be able to find that age underscore month column, but where is not able to find that filter. Clear? The fifth part is if can be used to execute multiple conditional statements. Say for example, I want to put multiple statements. Say for example, if age underscore month is greater than 250, fee underscore new is equal to 100 or something something. So there I cannot use multiple wheres, whereas I can use ifs. Sixth is if then statements. Again, this is the programming part. I'll show you how if then statements work.